adventure.
Continuing on our adventure from Reefton to Marlborough Sounds, we planned a night out in the bush on another trail we decided to explore on the way. This time we were fully kitted out with camping gear and plenty of food, and we were ready to spend a night in the bush. Our first obstacle and challenge was to cross a wide but shallow, light-flowing river. Unfortunately for both of us, we took a plunge in the river with our bikes. When we got to the other side, Jason suspected there could be water in the engine. This was confirmed with the cloudy liquid we could see in the oil level window. We returned to our vans parked close by. We had all the tools and parts to flush the engine, but we didn't anticipate how much oil it would take to completely flush it clean. We got lucky and no other damage was taken as a result of the unplanned swim. However, we had no choice but to pack up and head to the city of Blenheim and purchase more oil. We decided we'll take the opportunity to tick off a bucket list item and in the morning visit the incredible Peter Jackson Omaka Aviation Heritage Museum before heading off to the Marlborough Sounds and continuing our adventure motorcycle journey. We arrived at the Kenipuru Head Department of Conservation campsite later that afternoon. We equipped our bike with all the gear that we needed for the next day and then settled down for the evening and listened to the America's Cup sailing, New Zealand versus the US. We had to get creative with hotspotting the phone as internet coverage was very limited. This campsite was so peaceful and tranquil, with the native birds singing their evening chorus over the bay. It was a time to reflect on our journey and adventure that sadly went by all too fast.
If you are a Kiwi, right down to the bone, no matter where you live, New Zealand's still home. So whether you're here or you're so far away, you'll always do things the true Kiwi way. So stand proud as a Kiwi, call New Zealand your home. Stand proud and remember you'll not be standing alone. One people, one nation, at the end of the day, all proud that we do things the true Kiwi way. It's everyday people, just like you and me, who make up New Zealand for the whole world to see. So be proud and remember at the end of the day that we are all Kiwis living the true Kiwi way. So stand proud as a Kiwi, call New Zealand your home. Stand proud and remember you'll not be standing alone. One people, one nation, at the end of the day, all proud that we do things the true Kiwi way. No matter your color or your place of birth, we are all Kiwis from the greatest place on earth. And we'll all stand united at work, rest or play, and we'll always do things the true Kiwi way. To stand proud as a Kiwi, call New Zealand your home. Stand proud and remember you'll not be standing alone. One people, one nation, at the end of the day, all proud that we do things the true Kiwi way. So stand proud as a Kiwi, call New Zealand your home. Stand proud and remember you'll not be standing alone. One people, one nation, at the end of the day, all proud that we do things the true Kiwi way.